Welcome to an incredible journey through space history. Today, we explore the origins of NASA and humanity's monumental achievement, the moon landing. The story of NASA and the Apollo program is one of ambition, innovation, and courage, forever changing our perspective on what is possible. NASA was established in 1958, transforming the American space effort from a military pursuit into a civilian-led agency dedicated to peaceful exploration. Its creation was a direct response to the Soviet Union's early success in space, igniting the intense competition known as the space race. To catch up and eventually surpass the Soviets, NASA quickly embarked on a series of ambitious programs focused on manned spaceflight. Project Mercury aimed to put the first Americans into orbit. This initial program tested human ability to survive in space and laid the groundwork for future missions. Next came Project Gemini, which introduced two-person crews. These missions focused on vital techniques like space rendezvous and docking, crucial for the eventual moon journey. Project Apollo was the grand finale, dedicated to achieving President Kennedy's goal, landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to Earth. This mission was a leap of faith, requiring groundbreaking technological advancements and unprecedented resources to overcome the distance and dangers of lunar travel. The program faced tragedy early on with the Apollo 1 fire, which claimed the lives of 3 astronauts. This devastating event led to rigorous safety improvements across the program, ensuring the success of later missions. The world held its breath in July 1969 for Apollo 11, the mission that would attempt the impossible, humanity's first landing on the moon. Carried by the powerful Saturn V rocket, the crew of Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins began their epic, multi-day journey across space. After orbiting the moon, the lunar module, named Eagle, separated and descended toward its target, the Sea of Tranquility. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong uttered his famous words as he stepped onto the lunar surface, marking a historic moment for all of mankind. Apollo 11 was just the beginning. The subsequent missions would build on this success, expanding our knowledge of the moon. Missions 12 through 17 allowed astronauts to spend more time on the surface, collect extensive samples, and use lunar roving vehicles for greater mobility. The moon landings fostered national pride, inspired generations of scientists and engineers, and proved humanity's capacity for extraordinary achievement. From the early challenges of the space race to the triumphant steps on the lunar surface, NASA's journey to the moon remains a defining moment in history. The technological breakthroughs developed for the Apollo program continue to impact our lives today, from satellite communications to advanced medical imaging. The journey continues. NASA's Artemis program plans to return humans to the moon, preparing the way for future missions to Mars and beyond.